Kia ora tātou and welcome to Hard Hat Talk. I'm your host, Greg Ward. Now, today we're looking at a major step forward in seismic sealing resilience. The GRIDLOK with zip clip system developed through a collaboration between TrackLock, Steel and Tube and Zip Clip. Now, the solution is designed to make seismic sealing braces simpler, safer and more compliant. To unpack what this means for industry, we're joined by Scott Simpson and Sean Evans from TrackLock. Great to have you both here with us.
Thanks, Greg. Great to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Greg. Thanks very much for having us.
Now let's start with the big picture. What challenge in sealing restraint and compliance was the GRIDLOK with zip clip system designed to solve?
Yeah, thanks for the question, Greg. I think where we are having issues is where we have a very large plenum height, which is the distance from the ceiling or partition to the structure over. When that ceiling height or that plenum height grows, we have to use different thicknesses and gauges of steel stud, and that can introduce some weight into the brace system, whereas the zip clip seismic wire system is a tested system around the world, and that can span those distances with a very lightweight but capable and strong system in place.
So what specific design update was introduced in the GRIDLOK with zip clip system to improve installation in congested ceiling spaces?
Yeah, well, each GRIDLOK has a 45-degree flange on it, and what we've done is increase the size of that hole in the flange to 11.11 millimetres, which is pretty specific. And the reason we've done that is to allow us to use the zip clip wires to attach to those flanges. And that just enables a really fast, safe and compliant installation for complex sealing environments.
So what building code standard does the GRIDLOK with zip clip system support in commercial sealing applications?
Overarching code for ceilings is ASN ZS 2785. They are pulled out of 1170.5 and other seismic codes, namely 4219. But ASN ZS 2785 is the overarching ceiling code.
Now, this product is the result of a three-way collaboration. What makes this system different from traditional approaches, and how does the new design improve both installation and compliance?
Yeah, so look, the three partners involved in this are, quite exciting. Obviously, TrackLock ourselves, we're, as you know, always very much focused on innovation and providing a more compliant or compliant system, especially for those guys on site that are installing it. So we have a lot of expertise in that area. Steel and Tube, which is, as you know, is an extremely large company in New Zealand. They're a supplier of structural systems and have been since 1953, which, stands a testament to a long period of time in that space. And then the exciting part of it, I guess, is that we've brought Zip Clip on board, which is a company based out of Wales, of all places, but they're a global innovator in cable suspension systems. So really you're looking at a lot of not only innovators, I guess, but also a huge depth of knowledge that has come together in a collaboration to provide this new system.
Of course, the two systems have been tested together and shown that they have the capacities required for compliance to the project.
Those three combined points make for a great collaboration on this.
So what are the three key benefits that GRIDLOK with zip clip delivers to our Boynes members?
It simplifies the consent and inspection process through just having an engineered and tested component system. I think that's number one. And then we reduce the risk of service clashes. Service clashes are always inevitable on any job or any project, but we're reducing that even further still. So we can't get 100% of them, but we're getting pretty damn close with this system, that's for sure. And then the improved documentation and traceability for PS1 and PS3 verification. So, that's really important for the members. There's no two ways about it.
Now, looking beyond the seismic performance in an earthquake, what additional advantages does GRIDLOK with zip clip provide?
Yeah, look, I think it simplifies the compliance process and it gives certainty in the design process as well. And I think all of that before an earthquake strikes is obviously going to be important as it ensures that those regulatory requirements are met efficiently. And I just think it's that simple, Greg.
Well, look, Scott and Sean, thank you very much indeed for being here with us. And from what you've just described, the GRIDLOK with zip clip system seems to be a real step forward in how to manage seismic compliance in ceilings. And that is, of course, clearly of benefit for designers and, of course, also for our Boynes inspectors, particularly as our members can see something that can achieve safer and more compliant and smarter outcomes. So how can our members find further information?
Yeah, look, you can contact us through our website. We have many ways to do that. You can obviously email us. The website is www.tracklock.com. And our phone numbers are there, and we're attached to our phones 24/7. So please call anytime. We're more than happy to discuss it. And then, just an important note for the members, the bracing guide has been updated. It includes this information. So please jump online, download it, have a read, give us a call.
Well, thank you very much indeed, Scott and Sean. Really appreciate you being here. It's great to have the ongoing support of our industry partners. You've joined us here on Hard Hat Talk. We've just been talking around the GRIDLOK with zip clip system by TrackLock. Looking forward to bringing you more updates of value for our members into the future. Here with the Building Officials Institute of New Zealand. Ka kite.